Do you like this?
A piece of corn.
Hey, Natalie, what do you think about your presents? Do you like it?
What's my knife?
Right here. Why don't you try to cut the onion? You put the knife right here where the crack is. She's more a do it herself with her hands girl right now. But man, are we gonna be good at our fine motor skills. Success! I think that's a peach. Hey, Natalie. Natalie. Could you tell Aunt Dawn thank you?
Thank you.
Say, thank you, Aunt Dawn.